Why, hello everyone. Welcome to the Binding of Isaac Rebirth. Just going to do a standard run. Going to be testing out my audio. Hope the music isn't too loud. I will adjust accordingly if so. These guys suck already. Not sure what happened. Oh, okay. As you can tell by my save file, says I have Real Platinum God. That means I've beaten everything with everyone and I've collected one of every item at least. That took forever, by the way. I'll eventually be showing everybody every character. As much as I don't want to play as the Lost, which is the hardest character to play as, which you'll see him soon enough. I hate these big rooms on the very first floor. You have no power-ups yet. And it's not a labyrinth. So I won't have to worry about any devil deals. Which you get those by not taking red heart damage on a floor that you're eligible for it. Oh, come on, this is some stupid damage. One of my roommates are home. So if you hear anything, that's what it is. First boss, Dick Flies. Easy boss, easy enough anyway. Just gotta kill all of his stupid flies. Come on. Well, I don't know what happened there. Let's not die, please. I'm afraid of death on this first run. Oh, okay. Well, that sucked. Good thing this was a test video. Thank you for watching on this short video.